would you consider yourself a minor? Next fan mail of the day. Looks like a helmet of some sort. Why is there a... He sent nothing. What scenario do you think I would ever wear that? Wait, why is this kind of opium? So we drone in? Bravo 6, going dark. Dude, I look like Rey Mysterio. 619! Bro, there's more stuff. Oh, it's a tentacle. It's like a tentacle for like Squidward. Is this supposed to go in my ass? Why was the plunger at the bottom of it? Bro, I'm trying to open this thing, man. It feels like a book.